Hey, how's it going guys? This is Dean with Tech in Action. Today let's talk about another Nokia smartphone. This is the Nokia 6 second generation. First, let's open it up. The unboxing experience is pretty straightforward. The box looks almost the same as the previous model, which is made of this soft, cheap paper material. There's also a little Android robot underneath the name. I mean, why? Because it's an Android phone? Doesn't make much sense there. Clearly they didn't put a lot of thoughts in the packaging, which doesn't bother me too much. Inside the box, you have the phone itself, a USB Type-C cable, that's a good thing, and a 18-watt rapid charger in a separate box. Underneath the phone, there's a SIM card injector and a user guide as expected. Okay, my first impression of the phone. When I received the phone, I was like, why does the picture look so wide? It's almost like someone squeezed it down a bit. As it turned out, they're not kidding with the picture. This is the actual size of the phone. It's similar to the previous model, a little shorter on the height, but also 2mm thicker. Now, I was okay with the design when they launched the first Nokia 6 a year ago, but we're in 2018 now. Smartphones are getting slimmer with bezel-less design and 2:1 aspect ratio. So this kinda looks like an antique to me. And it gets worse. The fingerprint reader is now on the back. I mean, look at all the space at the bottom. They could have fit it there like the previous model. Also, the camera area is just enormous. You have all the space in between the lens and the flashlight. And it's not even a Zeiss certified camera like the one on Nokia 7. Another thing that I noticed is that they removed the speaker that's in the earpiece. Now it only has one speaker down at the bottom. Neither it supports Adobe Animus technology like the first Nokia 6 did. The build quality is still really good, but other than that, it's just not quite appealing to an average consumer like myself. The first Nokia 6 was a decent all-around budget phone. It shows Nokia's determination to come back. This is more like a half-baked, cost-cutting remake. But what do you think? Leave a comment down below. I'll see you next time.